A watch tells time, but shouldn't it also tell a story? Your story. I've always believed that the things we wear should be as unique as we are. Why settle for a mass-produced design when your wrist can carry a canvas? That's why I founded the Redwin Atelier. This isn't just a paint job. It's a metamorphosis. Just like master tuners transform a luxury car, we meticulously dismantle, artistically redefine, and expertly reassemble your timepiece. Every detail, every stroke, is a testament to bespoke craftsmanship. From a blank canvas to your personal story, hand-painted under a microscope, then sealed with protective lacquer to ensure it lasts a lifetime. Whether you send us your cherished watch, choose one of our bespoke pieces, or commission a unique gift, you're getting more than just a watch. You're getting a piece of art, a conversation starter, a legacy. Explore our rewards, from exclusive early bird offers to the ultimate collector's set, each crafted with a 40% discount for our amazing Kickstarter backers. Your support on Kickstarter isn't just about funding. It's about joining a movement to celebrate individuality and art in every ticking moment. Help us acquire the advanced tools and materials needed to push the boundaries of wearable art. Back the Redwin Atelier today, and let's craft timeless stories together.